It's almost 80-degree vertical incline over here. We're going to the Harihar Trek. I made our booking from Trek Panda. So right now in Shivaji Nagar. And from Shivaji Nagar, this is actually a bus stand. So they had 3 bus stands. One is in FC Road, one is in like Shivaji Nagar, and the other one is in Nasik Fata. So we are here at Shivaji Nagar. This is our bus stand near SBI. We are standing. We are waiting for the maxi cab. They'll come from here. We'll go to the base location of Harihar, like 40 kilometers outside of Nasik. So yeah, let's hope. Let's have a good trek. Let's hope we'll have some rainfall and we'll just have a memorable time. Make some good memories. Now we are in the middle of our destination. So from Pune, the exact destination to Harihar Fort, it's around 255 kilometers, and we have almost reached like 180 kilometers. It's only 70 odd kilometers we have to travel. 3 o'clock in the night, and just rest stop we have taken. It's around 4 am in the morning, and we have reached our base location. So see this place, see this hut over here. They have an arrangement of poha and tea, right? So over here you can like freshen up. There's a restroom over there, and we'll have a breakfast, and from here we'll start our trek to Harihar. So this is the entire group with whom we'll actually trek and see these guys playing. This is the base location which I showed a couple of minutes ago. So it's only been like 45 minutes we were standing over here. We had poha and tea for breakfast. See this view now. Impeccable.
Let's go.
And with me I have these Trek Panda people. I just met them. Great friends I have made in this journey. Hello. So yeah, if you can see the background, it's impeccable. You see the hue that is being made, bro. It's impeccable. Like, it's pleasing. It's aesthetically very pleasing to our eyes. This is the trail through which we are actually starting, and as we proceed forward, I'll show you what the challenges will come in front of me. So let's go. So see, even if you are planning to come over here on a bike, you can just come over here on a bike and place your tents over here in the morning. You can get to see this view. Impeccable. I don't know how much times I will use this word today, but it's going to be a lot of times. That is for sure.
Hello, Humpty Dumpty. Hello, Honey Bunny.
Mentions over here, welcome to Harihar Fort. We actually did not have to like cut any tickets or buy any tickets because that was all arranged by the Trek Panda people.
Seriously, man, you see.
Hi, bro.
Hello, Humpty Dumpty.
I know your reaction. Hi.
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি.
The trail is similar to like this. Okay. See the fort over there? You might see some people also. That is actually the Harihar Fort. And to reach over there, we have to trek all the way from here to there. From here, the stairs start, the steep climb start. Still now we are on the same trail. The only thing which I can observe is the forest road through which we were actually trailing is now over. See the mountain, this mountain. That is what we have to climb. That is going to be one hell of an experience. So this is the mountain you have to climb. Beautiful. That is the adrenaline rush that goes into my veins when I see all of these things. So this is the last part of the trek which you actually have to climb. You see the vertical incline? It's almost 80-degree vertical incline over here. So look, let's hope for the best and let's go. Wow, see the incline, yaar. Just see the incline and you can imagine the adrenaline rush in my veins, man. Wait, I'll show you from here. After the climb, you see over here. From here you actually reach here. See the view from here. Oh, this is Ashok. Hi. And from here you have to like go like this. So after all the climbing, we have finally reached the last part of the trek. You see there's a Hanuman Mandir over here.
Jai Shri Ram. Wow.
Jai Jai Shri Ram. It's a beautiful feeling. Do it.
So where are you gonna go next?
So I'll end the video because while I'm going down, okay, the way I was climbing up, there are actually like I can see a place where I can hold my hand. But when I'm going down, it's not possible for me to shoot and like climb down at the same time. So this possibly can be the end of the video. So thank you for being with me, watching me. I hope you liked the trail to Harihar Fort. And signing off.